Today we're at the Karitane Bowling Club. The Downer Dunedin construction team have been working in the township of Karitane, a small township just north of Dunedin, for the last 12 months, installing water mains and upgrading the water network. And as part of that, we've become part of the community, and it's good that we can give back and really help the community and support the community. Today I'm here with my supervisor Bruce Allen to donate $1,500 to the Karitane Bowling Club to help support the community, and so congratulations, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Stephen, and thank you very much, Downers, for this generous donation and for supporting us. You can see that our treasurer here is lighting up with excitement at receiving this too.
As part of our support for the Karitane Bowling Club, the local project team that did the work out here are going to donate some time and materials to upgrade their driveway and really cement our relationship with the bowling club and the community. I'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a safe summer.
Thank you, Stephen, and the same to you.